Hello friends, this is Meenal Shah, the director of Meenal's Institute of English to Grooming in Ahmedabad since 1990 and the certified soft skill trainer at ICI and Gujarat Board of Studies KCG. Well, I have also worked with late APJ Abdul Kalam, the ex-president of India, and it was my great pleasure indeed to work with him. Well, I have also worked and trained lakhs and lakhs of students, professionals, trade organizations, business or corporates, and almost all walks of life. And I'm glad to share that Meenal's Institute is awarded as one of the best quality imparting educational center. Well, I'm super excited also today to get you connected with my YouTube channel. Through my YouTube channel, we will learn a number of tutorials on soft skills. Today is my 11th tutorial on soft skills. Well, on today's tutorial, we are going to learn the subject called Finding the Purpose of Life. So the topic will be Finding the Purpose of Life. Now, before I make you understand about the purpose we should find out, I think I would like to ask a question to this audience. If the audience is listening, I have a question to the audience. Well, how often have you got stuck with an idea that though you are rat racer and adding a lot of routine activities to your life, but at the end of the day you realize that you have an emptiness, that you are unhappy person? So I have a question again. How often have you got stuck with an idea that though you are a rat racer and almost finishing almost all activities of your life, but you realize at the end of the day that you are unhappy person? So guys, if you are one of these categories, you need to listen my tutorial very well. So in this tutorial, we will learn two major things. The number one, we will learn the significance and the importance of finding the purpose of life. And in number two, we are going to learn the technique, how you improve your quality to find out the purpose of life. So let's move on to number one. Where we work on the significance of finding the purpose of life. Well, it is said the most famous motivator, Robert Sharma, who says you have two major important days of your life. The day one, when you were born and you have a great celebrations. And number two, the day you realize the finding of your purpose of life, the day you realize that this is the purpose of your life. So it is also one of the big days. So there are only 2 days of your big 2 days of your life. So certainly if this is talked by Robert Sharma, the best motivator, we are concluding that finding the purpose of life is important. The day like we were born, the same thing is finding the purpose of the life is very important. So we conclude that finding the purpose of life is important to get the complete joy of life. Now let's find out how you discover this, or the qualities or the techniques, how you discover the quality of life and how you discover the finding the purpose of your life. Well guys, to make you understand this, I would say there are two types of motivations. Number one, in this motivation, the motivation is external motivation. This motivation is called a carrot of life. This takes you to the worldly item. This is more of a glamour. This is more of a carrot of life. This is glamour. This takes you to the money, name, fame, and worldly items. But at the end of the day, you realize that you have somewhere the emptiness, because you are still not connected with the motivation of your inner part. So motivation are two types of external motivation and internal motivation. So it is very necessary to add motivational, external and internal, because your internal motivation is nothing but the passion. The passion is what is your dream, is your inner voice and strength and value and the guide. So that's you are guided by yourself, and for your passion you are ready to move out of your comfort box. For your passion you are ready to work that particular task without the money. So if you want to find out the purpose of life, it's very clear that you need to balance your life. You need to have the alignment of your life. You need to combine passions but daily actions. You need to combine passions and daily actions. You need to combine your external motivation and internal motivation. So this is number one, how you find out your internal purpose of life. Now, number two, often it happens, guys, that we look for others' validation, means we look for others' happiness also. Now, to be more precise, it's very difficult, no matter how wonderful the person you are, but it's very difficult to make everybody happy in the life. So it's very necessary, if you want to find out the purpose of your life, sometime you need to look for your own validation too. So we have concluded and we have come to the point is number one, as finding the purpose of life is important because it is one of the biggest day of your life. The day you were born is biggest, like the same. Finding the purpose of life is the biggest event of your life because it gives you tremendous joy. Number two, we have come to the also point is that there are types of motivation, external and internal. If you combine external motivation and internal motivation, if you combine your passion with your daily routine, there is a strong chance of increasing the purpose of your life. Means there is a point that you find out the purpose of your life because your daily life, your career of life, your external affairs, your worldly items, you are joining your worldly items with your inner passions and you are ready to move out of your box and out of your comfort zone. Which makes you out of your comfort zone means it's your real love and passion. So to complete the life, dear friends, look for your own validation, search your inner and external motivation, connect yourself with your passion and daily life. So hope you are very clear that finding the purpose of life is very important. So stay connected, be happy and successful. To find out or to learn this subject in details or to learn English public speaking and soft skills, connect Meenal's Institute of English to Grooming personally in Ahmedabad or call us 9824025965. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the almost all notifications. This is my 11th number tutorial for soft skills. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay connected and learn from my tutorials. Thank you.